Alright, I'm back at it again. This time I actually brought some stuff with me. You got 5 people across. You got 5 people over here. Let's see who's gonna catch the first fish out of us 5. Everybody's casting, missing. Oh, and I think I got the first one out of all the casts so far. Look at this beautiful fish. This is on my shad jig, my custom shad jigs. Okay, this is a rainbow. I'm selling them 5 for $5, 12 for $10. Oh, and another, whoa! Oh, I missed it again. Oh, and I missed it again. Use that, then it'll be good. But for now, they're active, so they're gonna hit lures and whatever you throw that is. Oh, damn, that was hit. That was a quick hit. Oh, this is a yellow guy. Is it a hybrid? Oh. Oh, this is a fatty hybrid. Look at this. Woohoo. Alright, here goes a big guy now. I only want to aim for big guys, so if you see all those little thump, it's just a bunch of small guys, man. No, I didn't. It's not ready yet. Sorry guys, but my video ended due to my battery died. But thank you for watching the Gotham video, and subscribe and like, and I'll hit you guys up next time I do another fish and I'll post it up. Thanks, peace out.